Hi, this is day number 25 of my 90-day video content challenge. My name is CM Manjunath. In this video, you will learn the difference between an e-commerce website and a content website. If you want to build an information business which makes money through advertisements and affiliate marketing, then you need to understand the difference between e-commerce and the content website. So let's dive in. Let me make it as easy as possible for you. So, yesterday we spoke about the major niches and sub niches. Let's say the main niche is going to be apparel and accessories. The sub niche would be men's fashion accessories. If I were to go specific, I made a list here, made a note here, and that's going to be men's watches. Let me ask you a question. If you wanted to buy a men's watch and you've already made a decision which one it is going to be, which website you're most likely to visit apart from Google? Let's say it's a shopping website. You're most likely to go to an e-commerce store like Amazon or Flipkart or your favorite e-commerce store in your country, right? So I would go to Amazon India and then I would pick up the product, right? That's what an e-commerce store is for. As you can see, there will be a shopping cart icon on the top right, or like a bag, a shopping bag. All that represents an e-commerce store. Okay, you can make a purchase, pay the amount, and get it delivered. As simple as that. Okay, now let's contrast this with an information website. Okay, what if you wanted to buy the men's watch but you had no idea which are the best men's watches? And let's add another criterion to this. Let's say you have a budget of just 10,000 rupees. What you're most likely to do is go to Google and search something like best men's watch under 10,000 rupees. If you look at the search query, it is it doesn't have a specific watch, does it? You're looking for a collection of watches which could come under that budget, okay? And you will see some sponsored advertisements, right? These are called your shopping ads. And then the next listing right here is Fossil. Fossil is a brand. Guess what? If I clicked on there, what do you think? What kind of website are you going to see? If you guessed an e-commerce store, you're absolutely right, right? Take a look at the top right corner. Usually you'll see a cart or a shopping bag which represents an e-commerce store. Okay, so there it is. Fossil is a brand that sells watches, and it's an e-commerce website. But as I scroll down, I found this one called English Jargon. Okay, I clicked on it and that opened up here. And guess what this is? I don't see a shopping cart or a shopping bag. It has information about aviator sunglasses and all of that good stuff. But if you scroll down, you'll notice that it's just information, right? That's what this website is about. This is called a content website. Hopefully you see the difference between an e-commerce website and a content website. Okay, so here they are discussing about 6 of the best Casio watches for men under 10,000 rupees. Guess what? They're targeting that keyword, men's watches under 10,000 rupees. Okay, as you scroll down, you'll notice that they're providing information and there are links right there. You see them? So, and then there is the product itself. So they're explaining what this watch is about, and then they have an image which is a link. If I clicked on it, it's going to take me to an e-commerce store, and you'll notice here there's a button that says get this, and then it also says where exactly you're going to get it. Okay, so let's say I clicked on get it. It's going to take me to the Amazon website. Okay, and if I bought this product right there, it's going to be 9,195 rupees. Amazon will pay a commission to Jagran, this website. Why? Because people come to this website, they read this blog, they understand about this watch, and then they clicked on it. So Amazon got people visiting this product page through another website. If you look at this URL, let me quickly copy that URL and paste it someplace, and you'll notice that the tag is jagran.com 01-21. Okay, so this is an example of an affiliate code for your information. Okay, so that way Amazon is able to track where this traffic is coming from, and they know that it came from jagran.com website. So by tracking that, they'll be able to give the commission to Jagran because the customer bought this watch after coming from this website, which is so cool, right? That's how it works. So you can create a content website like this. It can be based on your niche of your choice. You review, you talk, you provide information about those products within your niche, and then you can link it to an e-commerce store such as Amazon, so that when the customer buys it, you make a commission. Okay, that's how affiliate marketing works. Here's another example. So I did another search for DSLR camera reviews 2024. Okay, and I clicked on one of the search results, and I was taken to this website. It's called photographylife.com. Okay, again, this is an example of a content website. As you can see, there's no shopping cart or a shopping bag, so it's about reviews, camera reviews. As you can see, you can go in there, you can take a look at these camera reviews. There it is, Canon. Boom, if I clicked on it, it's going to go to that specific product page where they're discussing all the features and benefits. Okay, and hopefully somewhere here there will be a link to Amazon or a similar e-commerce website. Okay, so now you know the difference between an e-commerce website where you transact. You can either use your card, pay the amount and buy the product, or you can even get it delivered home and then you can pay on delivery. At least in India, we have those options. Okay, on the other hand, an information website or a content website provides specific information about something that people are seeking before they buy. Okay, as a content website, your job is to be able to provide useful information that persuades people to click on the link. When they click on the link, they're taken to the merchant's website and they make a purchase. When they do, the merchant will track where the traffic came from and they will give the credit to you. If people came from your website or blog, you earn a commission on that. That's how it works. I hope this was useful. My name is CM Manjunath and thank you for watching. Hey, but before you go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and let me know what did you think. Did you understand the difference between e-commerce website and a content website? Just type yes or no in the chat or comment. I'd love to know. Okay, if there's a better way to explain, I'll try that next time. Please let me know. Thanks very much. I will see you all next time.